Enter Honey, the world's most popular money-saving browser extension. With our free browser extension, you don't waste time or energy scouring. We do all the hard work in the background, automatically comparing millions of prices and discount codes, then instantly applying the savings to your cart. With Honey, you'll get the best possible price on everything, every time.
Stop fumbling and stumbling in the dark and light the way. But installing big outdoor lamps can be such a pain. Not to mention, heavy on the pocket. Introducing AUTech's Outdoor LED Lights, an amazing wireless solar-powered outdoor LED light that turns on automatically at night. AUTech has 36 highly efficient LED lights with a wide-angle illumination, so there are no corners left in the dark. Ultra brightness for ultimate illumination. AUTech also offers 3 lighting modes so you can adjust the brightness according to your needs. 1. Shine an attractive light from dusk to dawn. Medium light mode. 2. Switch from low light to ultra bright when motion is detected. Dim light sensor mode. Or 3. From lights out to high bright when the sensor is activated. Sensor mode. The light returns to dim or turns off automatically when you walk away. AUTech features a state-of-the-art PIR motion sensor that can detect people up to 26 feet within an angle of 120 degrees. Bigger size, bigger scope, better lighting. And because it's solar-powered, that means it's energy-saving and environmentally friendly. Say goodbye to overinflated electrical bills. It powers up all day so it can shine bright when you need it all night. Easily mount it on any surface with the included wall plug and screws in just minutes. No need for cables or wires. Mount it over your garage door, light up your lawn, anywhere you need. It's also much more secure than stick-on lights, which can slide and fall over time, causing damage and accidents. AUTech is waterproof and heat-proof so it can keep up with any weather condition. Great for your garden, perfect for your pathway. Go from groping in the dark to stepping into the light with AUTech's solar LED lights.
This is Zukie upgraded 28 LED solar motion sensor light. Brighter and more sensitive. Containing a lithium-ion battery, there's no need to manually replace the battery. Only charge under direct sunshine. No cable needed. Drill 2 holes and stick the green plastic plugs in the holes. Then assemble the screws and hang the light. It has very good waterproof performance, and it also can withstand sleet and strong winds. Over 12 hours working time after charging around 8 hours. Energy saving with higher photovoltaic efficiency. Lights will turn on automatically when motion is detected at night. A necessary illumination for your security and safety protection.